Hi everyone. Welcome to this playlist. If your Confluence space feels messy, hard to navigate, or inconsistent, this series is for you. In the next videos, I'll show you how to build cleaner documentation, guide users faster, and keep your space easier to manage. This app is called Content Formatting, Navigation, and Visibility for Confluence. It's built for Confluence Cloud teams who want better navigation, better readability, and better control over what users see. This suite has 4 major areas: tabbed navigation, rich content formatting macros, conditional visibility, and attachment management. As your space grows, a few common problems show up. Page trees become long and painful. Important pages get lost. Index pages go out of date. Users get overwhelmed by long pages. Formatting becomes inconsistent, and attachments get scattered everywhere. So this suite is designed to fix the full flow. Find content faster, read it easier, show only what matters, and keep files under control. To fix the "where do I find things" problem first, let's start with navigation. That's where tabbed navigation, also called content hubs, comes in. Instead of forcing readers to hunt through the page tree, you can guide them using clean tabs or drop-downs. You can build hubs in different ways. Tab parent content mapper. Turn a parent page into a hub. Child pages become tabs or drop-down items and their content shows inside the hub. Tab label content mapper. Build tabs using labels and optionally refine them with CQL. Tab Confluence page mapper. Manually pick pages to create a curated hub. Great for cross-space navigation. Create custom tabs. Fully manual tabs. You can add rich content, embed Confluence pages, or include HTML or external embeds. The bottom line is, users get structured content without digging through the page tree. Once users can reach the right content quickly, the next challenge is whether they can read it easily. That's where rich content formatting macros help. These macros standardize how pages look and make content easier to scan. There are 11 macros, including alerts for notices and warnings, tooltips for quick hover definitions, footnotes and a footnote summary for references, pop-up dialogues for extra details in a modal, background sections for clean styling, buttons for clear navigation actions, progress bars for onboarding or rollout tracking, advanced expand to keep long pages clean, interactive banners for carousel-style navigation and announcements, and advanced cards for structured layouts. The result is cleaner pages, consistent layouts, and better readability across teams. Even with great formatting, one page often tries to serve too many audiences. That's where conditional visibility helps. It reduces clutter by showing people only what they actually need. Conditional hide lets you hide selected sections for specific users or groups in page view. Conditional show lets you display selected sections only to specific users or groups in page view. Finally, as your content becomes more structured and targeted, attachments often become the next challenge. That's why the suite includes attachment management. It includes an attachment control center, where you can filter and sort files, preview and download attachments, run bulk actions like download or delete, and review audit logs for tracking. This helps reduce attachment sprawl and keeps your Confluence space cleaner. Together, these modules cover the complete documentation experience. Find content faster, read it easier, see only what matters, and manage files cleanly. In the next videos, I'll walk through each module and macro, one by one. If you want your Confluence space to feel like a real documentation hub, subscribe, and let's start with the first module next.